Hi, I'm Jason Strotheide. I'm the executive chef for Brody Square and Heritage Commons at Landon Hall. So the dish I prepared today is a vegan banana pancake with an appleberry compote. This came about as kind of a happenstance. I had made a deal with a peer here on campus, Brendan Nelson, to go vegan for the month of January 2018. And along about midway, my daughter, she's a teenager, had a friend over for a stay over, and they wanted pancakes for breakfast. And I was left out in the cold a little bit because I wanted pancakes for breakfast too. While I was making theirs, I just kind of whipped together a batch of what I thought would work for vegan pancakes. I used banana as the base, some oats, and a few other basic ingredients, and they came out better than I'd anticipated. So I brought it to work and tinkered with it a little bit more, and now we've got a vegan banana pancake recipe in the system. If you had asked me 10 years ago about veganism or even vegetarianism, it was a real small percentage, and I don't think it's like that now. Even the people that, I eat meat, but man, I find myself eating a lot more vegetarian foods. Not so much by design, but just, there's a lot more available now, It's like, I think people are more open to it. I really believe that we need to get a little bit more active in creating vegan meal services within our dining halls. Our chef council has talked about it extensively. We're taking strides to make, improvements in that area for the fall semester throughout the course of the summer and that sort of thing. So for me, what's different about working for culinary services is just the volume of opportunities. It's opportunities to have interactions with people that from different walks of life that you normally wouldn't meet, whether that's in a professional environment where you're going to an event, or producing an event, or interacting with students that are coming in and out of the space as guests. The greatest piece for me is working with the students in the operations. It's kind of like a fountain of youth. Culinary services is great, I've gotten to travel to China because of culinary services. Not too many jobs as a chef. Maybe if you're like an account executive doing international sales or something like that, you get to travel abroad, right? But as a chef, you don't get sent to Beijing, China, because your job is trying to bring chefs to the campus. It's fun, I love what I do here.